Hello. Organic sem oops. Organic tempeh, lots of garlic, and some caraway seeds. That's all what you need for my all-time favorite plant-based bread. I pressed the garlic through a garlic press and ended up with a little less than half cup. The tempeh is 8 ounces. I cut it into small pieces. I use this 1 cup measuring cup to measure the liquid ingredients. First, I put the garlic in the cup. Now I add 1 teaspoon coarsely ground caraway seeds, water to just cover the garlic, then fill the remainder with soy sauce. In a saucepan, I add 3 heaping tablespoons of refined organic coconut oil. Then 1 tablespoon olive oil. Next, I add the finely chopped tempeh. Stir the tempeh well, and while it's browning, I mash it with a fork. I stir it constantly to prevent burning. The tempeh looks nicely browned and the water has completely evaporated. Now I add the garlic, caraway seed, and soy sauce mixture to the tempeh. Then I add about a 1/4 cup of water. Stir well. I put the lid on and simmer it until the water evaporates. Now the tempeh is finished. I turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Now the tempeh is at room temperature. I add approximately a 1/4 cup of olive oil. This isn't baking, so I don't need to be precise. And stir. This is the container I store the spread in, and I also use it to measure the final amount of olive oil. Now I add more olive oil. I know it looks like a lot, but I like it that way. And it's important to cover the tempeh. Mix well. Now I cover it and put it in the freezer to set for 3–4 hours. Then store it in the fridge. It keeps well for 2-3 weeks. The garlic tempeh spread is ready. Let's try it on my homemade sourdough bread. It's nicely spreadable, but if you want a firmer spread, increase the coconut oil while cooking. Little more.
Looks good.
Oh yes, I already had a few bites. I put some Hungarian paprika on it. This sweet Hungarian paprika. Well, I am Hungarian and I love paprika. So let's have another bite. So good. I can eat this every day. Try it. Bye for now.